Mapaka shanga lesikhathi ithi nginelaphe la. Most of you guys are asking themselves why iDiski TV is becoming now a Pirates Slander podcast. So the answer is very simple. iDiski TV is run by a Kaizer Chiefs fan okuNkululeko Nkewu. But before siqhubeke, let me prove it to you ukuthi uNkululeko Nkewu support Kaizer Chiefs. Listen properly.
Uthi mawuthole ithuba. All of us, I mean, I would have loved to play for Chiefs, for example. Me personally, I would have loved to play for Chiefs and score a goal for Chiefs. I would cry tears. You know, if I ever, my hero, Abu Brian Baloyi, for example, when I was a kid, you know. So
now, with that being said, Kaizer Chiefs, they are very smart, they are very clever, they are very sneaky, and they are very sly. They are very systematic in terms of how they argue now. So, because obviously they can't say anything to Pirates in terms of recent success and recent achievements. Even continentally, they cannot say anything to Pirates. So, is to overstate and to overpraise in Sundowns. But a point is driver ultimately Sundowns yodwa vele thina abanye siyafana. Pirates iyafana neChiefs. Uyibuze uyaphila lo muntu la ekhanda. The 10th best team okuyiKaizer Chiefs iyafana nePirates. iPirates winner ama trophy. iPirates okuyi-team eyenza the most money domestically. iPirates okuyi-team egcwalisa stadium week in and week out. Ngisho wathi uyidlala away from home. Ne-team engabukwa umuntu eFNB bayafana labo bantu labo. A team in 10 years yagcina ukwina indebe iKaizer Chiefs iyafana nePirates, like really honestly. But bokumbuke vele because now they are being systematic. Ufana nomuntu ozothi mawumtshela ukuthi le argument yokuthi uTito noZwane njani obviously in terms of longevity uZwane has been better, but since uTito efikile he's been the best midfielder kwiPSL. That's why wavotelwa waba iPlayers Player of the Season. Kodwa umuntu akafuna ukuyiqonda ngqo leyo argument. Into yokuqala umele ayisho ukuthi ethi hayi kwiPirates ngiyabona mina uyadlala uTito kodwa umuntu ophethe le movie yePirates yonke umfukeng. Usuzama ukubalekela lapho ukuthi engabe saya umuntu usumhambela ngaphambili. So abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs benza njalo ke bangena ngeSundowns beyincome ezifile into enkulu engashayiki le shawa yiPirates iSundowns le shawa yiPirates ke kuma cup games. And you cannot tell me ukuthi Sundowns goes into a Nedbank Cup final aiming to lose it. You cannot tell me ukuthi Sundowns fires and reshuffles all coach because they are happy ngokuthi badlwa iPirates bona njalo kuma cup. Surely you cannot say that mawuphila kahle la ekhanda. And abalandeli beChiefs njalo bahleli befuna ukuthi but manje bayanqanda because bona there's nothing they can say about the team yabo. So ilokhuza system yabo manje sekutheni uncoma kakhulu ngapha kuSundowns uncome kakhulu ngoba and akekho umuntu othemba iChiefs njengomlandeli uSundowns njengomlandeli weChiefs. But fana uncome kakhulu ngapha kuSundowns uncome kakhulu bese uthi hayi labanye ama team awu15 ayafana. Into eyinkinga iSundowns icasulwa yona ukuthi egroundini layo akugcwali. Kugcwala kuphela mayidlala ithi game enkulu bese kube ukuthi iPirates iground lawo liyagcwala. iChiefs ngeke izikhuluma ngabalandeli ngamani ikhulume ngabuthina nabo ke lapha basuke bekhona khona. Ngapha iSundowns yakwazi ukukhuluma ngapha cup ngoba iPirates ama cup inawo yawawina. So lenguyaza nabayikhanda ukuthi kulandwa beSundowns utsovele yena could argue for iPirates, but now ucindezelekile and uyambona ukuthi umuntu as much as he's a smart guy he doesn't have the mental strength to stand his ground when he has to argue for Orlando Pirates. And obviously futhi uphethwe lapha ama managers abo ibona laba oNkululeko Nkewu. So yabo uvala uyedwa vele is actually isolated and they are ganging up against him, and you can see ukuthi he's already defeated even before aqala ukukhuluma. So siyabazi nabantu abakanjalo into enyanyisayo ukuthi uNkululeko Nkewu uzenza ngathi neutral kanti no hayi ikhosi la ngempela le yakhululeka baba siyalazi ni ikhosi liagwisha kanjani liagwisha ngeSundowns vele bangena bethi labe Sundowns yabacasula into kuneteam ebadlayo lokuthiwa iPirates and ineteam ebangisana nabo ngabadominate phela kanti hayi limile ibhakabhaka limi ngento ufana uNkululeko Nkewu ucasula ukuthi uzenza into neutral yazi usebenzisa iprinciple thing we beat the dog till the owner comes out. That's why I'm something good about Pirates or something bad about Chiefs. He's always up in arms. Bokumnaka. Mawufuna iproof yalokho ngizonenzela another video. Lapha abonakala khona ufiyacasuka mangabe kuncunywa iPirates. Ugxeka yonke into yePirates lo yamjida loyana into omele niyazi. Ufana nomuntu othi mayezithi neutral hayi umthandeni noKhuzana ngisupport mina I support umuntu I love them both. Bokusho into eyodwa thoma uthi ambona support uKhuzana bese uthi Aloku ukhuza nikuthwele lokhu futhi siphelile nalomuthi wakho uyomuzwa into ayoyilwe emdefender ya abamosha inja ilapha emgwaqweni engekho umuntu othi eyakhe ngisho wathi wenze impumela uboyishaya umuntu ophuma hey malunga lezinja izinja ishaya phuma nemkhonto ephela ungaze ushaya inja kanje lo muntu ke eyakheke that is the owner so unkululeko konke ukukanjalo wenza ngathi akayisupport iChiefs that uyisupporta nje ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke siyamazi baba we figured you out and we've seen what you're trying to do